Do you have smart devices in your house? Well, I do, and it's made my life a lot easier. Let's talk about the Amazon Echo Dot. Hey, what's up guys? I'm Kris from the Currier Network, and on this channel we do tech reviews, unboxings, and how-to videos. If you're new here, consider subscribing, and thank you for supporting the channel. Let's get into the video. So I bought an Amazon Echo Dot to make my life easier and to control my smart devices, but I found out it can do a whole lot more. So the Amazon Echo does have physical buttons on top. It allows you to control the volume up and down. It also has a feature that if you do not want the Amazon Echo listening to everything you say, you can push the mute button, and that will stop the device from listening. I changed the wake word to computer, so hopefully it doesn't trigger any of your devices. So the Amazon Echo Dot is basically a Bluetooth speaker with a virtual assistant built in. It will help you in everyday tasks. These are some of the things that I found it can do. You can connect your phone to the Echo Dot as a Bluetooth speaker and play any media from your phone. Being able to set multiple alarms and timers is very helpful. Computer, set timer for 5 seconds.
5 seconds, starting now.
Computer, set timer for 10 seconds.
Second timer, 10 seconds, starting now.
Computer, stop. My first timer going off. Computer, stop. That was my second timer going off. So it's very easy to set multiple timers and alarms for different things. So it does support Amazon Prime Music. It will play music from different services like Pandora, Spotify, iHeartRadio, and SiriusXM. You can control smart devices like thermostats, TVs, lights, cameras, outlets. The way I use the Amazon Echo Dot is setting routines to control all of these smart devices. If you have kids and you're in a rush to leave the house and you're done telling them to turn all their lights off and to turn their TV off and having everything on a network, being able to literally say shut down and leave your house and know that everything is turned off was one of the reasons why I got it. It's very helpful. Computer, turn off Veda's room. Computer, turn off Veda's room. Computer, turn all lights red. Computer, turn all lights blue. Computer, turn all lights green. Computer, shut down. Computer, start my day. You can set reminders to do tasks. Computer, set a reminder in 10 seconds to publish a video.
Okay, I'll remind you in 10 seconds. This is a reminder. Publish a video.
So if you're into listening to audiobooks, it will also read you audiobooks straight from Audible. Remaining hands-free is the goal. With this device, you can control things with your voice, and that is why it's so useful. Make and receive calls. Computer, call sis.
Calling Sis Mobile from Kris.
Hello?
Hey man,
Hey.
I'm just testing out this Amazon Echo calling feature for my video.
Oh, really?
So hi,
Cool. Hi.
thanks for being a part of the video.
No problem.
Okay, bye.
Goodbye.
Computer end call. So it's very helpful if you want to get in touch with someone hands-free, you don't have your phone with you. You can also get a calendar update, a news briefing, and probably one of the most important tips that I don't think people realize is if you cannot reach your phone, if you've fallen and can't get up, you can call 911 with your voice. That to me is worth the $30. So I'm going to leave links in the description. I think if you don't have one, you should pick one up. You can set up right and left speakers for a surround sound with multiple Echo Dots, which is very cool. So if you're on the fence about picking one up, I hope this video helps shed some light on the Amazon Echo. It will improve the quality of your life. Life is hectic and fast, and sometimes you need a virtual assistant to help you out. And that was my review of the Amazon Echo Dot and some of the things it can do. If you don't have one, click the link in the description to pick one up. It will make your life easier and support the channel. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you on the next one.